How to fade from one video to another in Premiere Pro. This is very easy to do. And this is a very nice and simple effect to use for anything. You can also do this effect with pictures, music or voice. You can simply cut a clip with the razor tool. You can use this tool with the shortcut C. Place the first clip above the other clip where you want the transition, so like I do. What we do now is create a keyframe for the opacity. Make the first keyframe 100% and make the other one 0% at the end. Make the keyframes ease in for a better fade. You can also do it with the audio of the clip. Make the transition so long you will. There we go, now you have a nice fade from one video to another. By the way, you can also make this effect much easier with the cross dissolve effect. Go to the effects, then go to the video transitions and then drag the cross dissolve to where you want the transition, so like I do. Now drag the fade to the desired length. If you want it with the audio too, you can use the constant power effect. You can find this effect by the audio transitions. And do the same as with the video. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.